Meaning of gazebo.
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 Gazebo. A gazebo is an outdoor structure that is usually built in a garden or park to provide a shaded area for relaxation or entertainment. It typically consists of a roof supported by pillars and often has open sides, allowing for a view of the surrounding scenery. The name gazebo comes from the word gaze and the suffix bo, which means a shelter or small house. Gazebos can be made of various materials, including wood, metal, or stone, and can be designed in different styles, from traditional to modern. They are popular for weddings, picnics, and other outdoor gatherings.